In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable PIN for Family View Steam. Family View is Steam's built-in parental control tool that helps you create a safer, more focused experience by limiting access to specific games. The stored community features and parts of your online profile. By the end of this guide, you'll have a secure 4-digit PIN set up, along with a recovery option. So only the right people can make changes or access restricted content. Start by opening the Steam client on your computer. In the top left corner, click the Steam menu and choose Settings. This is where all your account and application controls live, and it's also where Family View is configured. In the Settings window, look to the sidebar and select the Family tab. This section is dedicated to sharing features and parental controls. Once you are there, click Manage Family View. That opens a simple setup wizard that will walk you through the protection options. You'll first decide what should be restricted when the PIN isn't active. Take a moment to think about who will be using Steam without the PIN and what you want them to see. You can restrict individual games or allow only a curated list. You can also lock down features like the store, which prevents browsing and purchases, and the community, which covers things like discussions, chats, and user-generated content. There are options for online profile visibility and settings as well. Choose only what you are comfortable exposing without supervision. Anything else will require the PIN to unlock. Next, create your 4-digit PIN. Pick something memorable to you but not easily guessed, avoiding patterns like repeating numbers or birthdays. You'll also be asked for a recovery email. For best security, use an address that's different from your primary Steam account email. This gives you a separate way to recover access. If you forget the PIN, after that, Steam will send a secret code to the recovery email you provided. Open that message, copy the code, and paste it into the verification field in the Setup wizard. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folder, and remember that codes can expire. So use it promptly. Once verified, the PIN protection is activated and your chosen restrictions are in place. From now on, any time restricted content or settings are accessed, Steam will prompt for the PIN. Keep your PIN private and consider noting it in a secure place if needed. That's it. Thanks for watching.